today you have a test for my class. I have gone ahead and pulled it up. This is on my laptop, so hopefully it's showing up clearly enough. You will start by doing an honor pledge. So I'm going to read this honor pledge, then kind of go through the test, and we'll go from there. Honor pledge. By typing your name to this question, you're promising to take this test on your own. You are not allowed to use your notes, the internet, or get help from others. If you are caught cheating on this test, you will earn a 0 and I will be checking. Please answer by putting your name for the answer. So the answer number 1 is your name saying, I'm making this promise. All right, then you've got several questions. Anytime it says in your own words, you need to be as detailed as possible. Be sure to read each question carefully. You've got some true, false. You got a wide range of numbers. The one I really wanted to talk to you about was the other one I felt like might be a little bit confusing. Well, 2 of them is use a calculator. Which of the following is the highest number? So you have 5 numbers. You're going to tell me which one is the greatest number. And then the next question is the second highest. So you're going to put these in order, but each question separately has you putting them. And then third highest, fourth highest, and so forth. Sorry, my computer didn't want to scroll. And then you have 2 of them like that. And then when we get to the scientific notation ones, this question, it asks for the number below. When I change the number into scientific notation, what is the beginning numbers? The numbers before the times 10. So if you remember, scientific notation looks like number 23 there. I'm going to zoom in on it. Hopefully it'll still be clear enough. Sorry, trying to find the best way to do this. The first number in this one would be 1.23. So when I say what's the first number, that's what I'm talking about. When it says what about the exponent, that's your small number at the top. You only have today to take this test. So please take this test, do your best on it, and do it on your own. I will be checking in on you throughout the day. All of you have already said you know that you have this test. I will get them graded as soon as possible. Also, today you in your chat were given grades to add to your grade sheet. Please go ahead and add those to your grade sheet. I will be sending messages to parents and to you about how, if you have things you still owe me, what you can do. All right, good luck on your test, and just do your best.